Once a girl likes you, but you don't know. You don't know. Once a girl likes you, but you don't know. You don't know. Maybe you knew it was.
Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tereesa. Welcome to my channel, Love Lady Teresa. And on this channel, we talk all things home decor, mixing high and low with new and old, garden and travel adventures. First things first, I want to thank all my new subscribers. I really do appreciate you all so much. Yes, Happy New Year, lovies. We made it. This is my first video of 2026, and in today's video, we're going to quickly be taking down Christmas decor and decorating my living room area for the winter. So I wanted to bring you an after the holidays winter decor with me. If you're into that awkward, what season is this anyway type phase of your life right now, you're definitely in the right place. Before we unpack all of that, I'm a new creator working towards my first big goal of 1,000 subscribers, and your support really matters. So if you wind up liking this video and you're not subscribed yet, please hit that like, subscribe, and alert bell notification before you go. Now let's be honest, the months after the holidays and before spring are a little strange. The Christmas decor is all packed away, the twinkle lights are gone, and suddenly our homes feel like they're waiting for a personality again. Winter is still very much wintering, and we're all just trying to survive it. So I wanted to bring you with me for this in-between season of something cozy, super simple, but still put together while we wait for spring to show up. I leaned into warm textures that might read outdoor and woodsy, but honestly, I'm okay with that because I'm not ready to let go of cozy just yet. And the best part is, I didn't buy a single thing for this video. Everything you see here is stuff that I already own from the past years. I just shopped my own house, moved things around, and pretended I was very intentional about it all, which is my favorite kind of decorating. wanted to keep everything light and airy, so I added a bowl full with pine cones for a natural wintry touch. I also incorporated these cowbells that I purchased just a few months ago. They added the right amount of texture and interest. Moving on to the console table behind the sofa, I styled this black Ace of Spades champagne box that my son gifted us for our 25th anniversary. We actually store our remote controls inside of it, so it's both sentimental and functional. I added a bowl filled with pine cones, along with a hurricane vessel to hold the candle to bring some soft, cozy lighting. I didn't do too much on the end table. I simply layered a faux fur rug throw over the top and added 2 candle holders with battery operated candles. I love using small faux fur rugs or throws as table toppers instead of placing them on the floor. It's an easy way to add warmth and texture. you all so much. Most of all, thanks for being part of the journey. And until next time, spread love, y'all. Hey, lovies, do me a favor. Click that like and subscribe button. It really helps out with the algorithm. Click the bell notification to receive new videos as soon as they drop. Thanks again for watching. Sincerely yours, Love Lady Teresa.